Hey buddy, so sorry I didn't do an update of how much I've gotten done on my barn yesterday, but I was actually feeling really sick, so I used them most of the day in bed. So right now I'm almost done. I just need to add the tag and the people and all my horses, which I've already pulled down here. By the way, my stable is set up in my basement, and I just wanted to show you something that I probably won't have time to go into detail with um, in the barn tour. So that is my pin board or information board. Let me just move a couple of horses here, or trip them. Stop dying, please. Anyways, here's the informations board. And I almost forgot an R, but there's a tiny R right there next to the O. So yeah, it's spelled correctly. So everything on here I printed out from the internet. So none of it is really mine, but I thought they were all really cute. So I have camps and clinics up here. So I have a clinic, a Western clinic there, a camp, another camp thing. That's a dressage clinic. That is, well, a dressage clinic that's held here. Oh yeah, and that is also held here. This is a camp, another camp thing. That is another clinic for a Western rider who is rides Arabians and Saddlebreds and other gated breeds. That'll be a very exciting clinic that's going to be held here. This is another clinic for Western reining and roping and cow things. So that's a very exciting Western clinic. And this is a horse camp. And I apparently turned that upside down. Let me just fix that. 1 second. There we go. Another little children's camp that's held in the area. We let other people come in here and put their camps up here, and also over here we have horses for sale, and of course most of these horses aren't found on our farm, but we let people come in here and there's a phone number you can contact. So there's a little horse there, another horse there, a little pony, another horsey, and the last horsey. So we have 5 horses. Down there we have our veterinarian number, and then right here we have some little drawings that are been drawn by some of our students here. So we have, I don't know what breed that is, but that's a Gypsy Vanner, a little hunter pony, and then another horsey. So yeah, really nice. And then down here we have some little pamphlets. That's one of the clinics, that's one of the camps in the area. That's for the dressage clinic that's being held here, which we are really excited about. And then we have another camp. That's a Western camp, and that one at the end is an English camp. So you can just pick those up and read them. And then last up here we have a little picture show of everything that has happened at our stable. So we have a show that's from a camp, not a camp, one of the clinics that have been held here. Okay, that was too close. Let's see if I can get it to focus again. Sorry about that. That's from another clinic. That's from a show, a jumping clinic, a Western clinic. That's from a show. That's for a young horse in training clinic we did, a Western clinic. That's some of our show team, so that's from a show. Right there, that's from another show jumping clinic that's held here. That is from a show, so yeah, those are some children that came in here and they're from another riding stable. But they're a part of a show team, so they have like matching stirrups and stuff on, and they were really cute. Another show, no, sorry, that's not a show, that's a camp, a clinic that has been here. We don't really hold any camps per se, they're more of clinics because we don't have any riding horses here, and that's from a cross-country clinic. So yeah, that is the information board, and it's on the side of our arena. So I'm really excited to show you guys the whole farm, or the whole barn. So I'll get everything set up and then I will do it, and hopefully I won't get sick today again and I can film it here in the evening. So yes, bye.